Welcome to SomeGuy's Garage. Today we're going to take a very quick look at the Wera Kraftform Kompact bit driver. So it comes in this nice pouch with the usual manuals and those sort of things in here. But nice pouch, and inside is the bit driver. Typical Wera handle, very nice and comfortable. These are pretty neat. They have a button on the back there that I just pushed, so I'll do that again. And that extends the bit storage here where you can see all the bits inside. So there's 6 bits inside. This one particularly came with 2 Phillips, 2 square, there we go, and 2 flathead. And to put those in, there's a quick release chuck, so you can grab a bit here, put those in, and it clicks in, so the bit is actually held in really well, which is awesome. And if you need to remove it, you just push forward on this little collar and out it comes. So I'll do that once more here, so it's clicked in, nice and solid. Push and it comes out. The other part that's neat is it's extendable. There's a little spring-loaded kind of collar here that extends it out to be a full-size screwdriver again. Now this is where the question is, and I want to ask, is this normal? But to actually get it to come back in, you can't just pull it that same amount. It's still locked in place, you know, at the okay, no, not okay line here. To actually get it to come out, you have to really push it hard. There's a pretty solid click. So the bit driver does come out. You can use this separately in a drill if you wanted. But the locking collar here is tight. You can see just how much force I have to put in to get it to move back in. And again, there to stow it away. So if you have one of these, let me know if that's normal on these types of screwdrivers from Wera. It seems like it's a little too stiff when you have to almost 2 or 3 fingers to get that collar to come down far enough to lock and unlock. But otherwise, the screwdriver, the bit driver itself is quite nice. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider it. And as always, thanks for watching.